Bama bia sora or per virgin. So let's add salt. Salt to taste. And this is our onion sauce. Hey, hi. Good evening. How are you doing? How is your family? Your girl is so busy here. Please, how are you doing? And your family? Yes, only I know. Yes, so now maybe the time the chicken will finish it, that time uh, then streaming is ended. I don't think we can finish the chicken because the chicken skin is so hard. It has to take, I mean, 1.5 hours or 2 hours because the skin is so strong and the bones. Yesterday I tried some and the skin and the bones are strong that it takes 2 hours. I was shocked. But because I wanted to enjoy the bones and everything inside the chicken, I have to, I mean, waited for 2 hours. But I'm doing like 1 hour streaming. I'm doing just 1 hour live streaming. So maybe you may not see the end of my roasted chicken, but I will make offline content, then I will upload to my channel so that you guys will see how I prepare my roasted chicken and bake it. Yeah, see how it's boiling, premier or nothing. Now you know.